So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Vakas and you're watching Vakas Tech. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone camera missing after update iOS 17 developer beta. As you can see, this is my iPhone XS and right now it's running on iOS 17 developer beta. You can see appears on screen software update. Okay, in that section you can easily see that it's updated on iOS 17. So how to fix that iPhone camera not showing on it? As you can see, go back, you can see appears on screen there is no camera app showing in my iPhone right now. So how to get back iPhone camera after iOS 17 update? Firstly, you need to open your iPhone settings. Okay, in settings you need to scroll down and find here, as you can see, screen time. Okay, now you need to scroll down again and tap on content and privacy restriction. Okay, tap on that. After that you need to tap on allow apps. You can see showing here. Okay, you can see appears on screen camera app turn off. Just turn it on to get back iPhone camera on your iPhone screen. As you can see, iPhone camera back in my iPhone screen right now. Okay, you can see appears on screen iPhone camera showing here right now. So friends, after that simple step you can easily get back your iPhone camera not showing on iPhone after update iOS 17. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.